Replace worry with calm. There is no doubting that worrying too much can be harmful to our health. It can cause anxiety and despair on a mental level, as well as weaken our immune systems and increase levels of stress. It can cause a physiological reaction, making us feel unwell. An excessive amount of worry might keep us from leading contented and healthy lifestyles. By understanding why we worry, we can find ways to cope with and minimize unhelpful thoughts. Worry is meditating on the problem instead of the problem solver. Worrying is being anxious over the stuff that trouble us, and God said, "Don't be anxious." In Isaiah 41:10, he tells us to fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee. Yea, I will help thee. Yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness. So don't give in to worry. Read the passage that pertains to your life right now and meditate on it. Your power to overcome worry is in the Word of God, and become a praying woman.